participated in the arcade programs, earned goodies, certificates, and more. Now it's time to get a job, that too in Google. Yes, you heard it right. Now you can get a job in Google, and how you'll be getting will cover in this video. But before we start, make sure you subscribe the channel and to hype the video. So here we have some openings in the office of Bangalore, Karnataka, that is Hyderabad also and Telangana also. So you can just check it out. Now, what are the qualifications and what are the preferred qualifications we'll cover. So first of all, you can see this is the Google Careers website. Okay, I'll share a quick demo also how you can find a job, but these are the basic jobs which you need to take it out. So here you can see the minimum qualification for this Associate Developer Software Intern 2026 is that you must be enrolled in the bachelor program, okay, and having computer science as a major or any related to technical field. Now you must have experience one or more general purpose programming language, and you are having an ability to communicate in English. So if you communicate in local language, then you won't be eligible, but you can learn English is easy. Okay, you can try to learn by using any YouTube tutorial also, or by just by reading any books. Now here they are having a preferred qualification also, like you must be enrolled into a full-time degree, not any online program or distance program. You must be a full-time student, and here you have to complete a full-time 10 to 12 week internship between May and August 2026. Okay, whatever program details will be shared you once you are shortlisted via email. Now you need to be excellent in programming skills including C++, Java, Python. Even if you don't know, you can brush up your skills. There are multiple tutorials available online. You can just check it out, or you can just, if you are a document lover, you can just navigate to that website documentation. Now here you can see these are the jobs description. Similarly, there are multiple openings. For example, software engineering PhD intern 2026. Similarly, it's again in Bangalore and Hyderabad. You can see this is the criteria they have mentioned. Also, it is in Pune, Maharashtra also. So if you are from Pune, you can take part in it. And here you can see this is the minimum qualifications, like pursuing PhD, must be working with Unix and Linux environment, and data structure algorithm and software design. And the preferred qualification, you can see that you are having a research experience in algorithm, programming experience in one or more in C++, C and Java. Similarly, you can see all these details are here. This is also here. I'll share this link, do not worry, you can just navigate. Now if you are a student, you can just come over here. Okay, and then first of all register, and you can just search whatever jobs you need. Okay, so for example, if you want to know hiring process, how to prepare for the interview, you can just check it out. And if you're searching for a job, just like LinkedIn, here are jobs, you can just navigate and search it like this. Okay, so here you can see currently these jobs are active. If you just change the location, then you'll be able to see multiple options are available over here. So like this, you have to keep searching. And if you have any query, you can let me in the comment section. So this was the quick update regarding the latest hiring by Google. And if you're interested in another swag program, you can just check the channel videos. I posted multiple. You can just take part in it and just complete the challenge and win some swags. Now these are internship opportunities where you earn money also, and that too with Google. So if they like your work, maybe they will hire as full-time programmer or anything. And here there are options of outside India also, if you want to just check it out. And if you're watching from different countries also. So this was the quick thing. Do like the video and subscribe the channel. Have a great day ahead.